Denise also found the perfect frame for the family portrait.
And the picture is beautiful.
I love the picture.
Huge.
To make the book, first, I'll figure out which pages I'll be making. Then I'll collect images and papers and little accessories, just anything that can go together to make the pages beautiful. I fell in love in Paris. I have this gorgeous paper. I definitely want to bring that in. Scrapbooking is starting with a photograph and then incorporating different elements, different words, to really build an entire page around that individual photograph. So each one of those design pages then layers on top of another, and you create this beautiful album filled with memories. I love it. I'm really happy to be making this book for Austin and Tommy. It means so much to me to be involved in something that's so meaningful to them. My pages are all done for the baby book, and now it's time to do the cover. So I've got some chalky paint. Oh, beautiful. All right, we're done, and it's perfectly Parisian. I can't wait to present this to Austin and Tommy. I think they're gonna love it. Because Austin and Tommy and Maddie don't have a family portrait, I sent over one of my photographer friends. I'm going to create a beautiful frame, make it all Parisian, do some DIY action on it, and then the family portrait gets a beautiful home. I'm using a chalky paint because that way I don't have to stain or sand it. I can just brush it on, and I'm doing a dry brush technique. Dry brushing is perfect for this frame because it doesn't put paint into the crevices and into those little details. That way you can have that dark color coming forward, and then you have multiple colors, and it just gives it a beautiful vintage feeling. Okay, it is wax time. This is going to seal it. This is going to finish everything up. I'm getting right in all the creases. I want to make sure this paint doesn't budge. The frame is looking beautiful. You know, it was a gorgeous frame to start, but with this little coat, the dry brushing of the chalk paint over top, it just looks that much better, and it looks so perfect for our Parisian theme. Wow, this looks awesome. I made this father's book for you.
Oh.
Each page is filled with embellishments, different textures, and finished with hand-sewn edges.
And the picture is beautiful.
I love the picture.
Huge.
She painted the frame with a dry brush technique. The matte chalk paint highlighted its ornate details, giving it an antique feel, and was a perfect match for the Parisian theme.
Are you ready for the party, Madeline? Are you ready for people?
She wants the cake. She wants the cake.